Are you ready to keep your Zapier webhooks from becoming a security circus? Let's dive into safeguarding your Zapier webhooks, ensuring your automation workflows are not just efficient, but also rock-solid secure, in this short tutorial. First, authentication is your bouncer at the door always, and I mean always. Use authentication methods like API keys or Auth20 to verify the incoming requests to your webhook. Think of it as a secret handshake only your trusted sources know. Next up is data validation, acting as your quality control before processing any data received by your webhook. Meticulously validate it. Check data types, formats, and ranges. Reject anything that doesn't fit the expected pattern. This prevents malicious data from wreaking havoc on your systems. Now, let's talk error handling. Webhooks, like life, can throw curveballs. Implement robust error handling to gracefully manage unexpected issues. Log errors, retry failed requests, and alert admins when things go south. Don't let errors silently corrupt your data. By implementing these steps, you are greatly improving the security of your Zapier webhooks. Embrace authentication, rigorous data validation, and comprehensive error handling, and you'll build automation workflows that are secure, reliable, and ready to handle whatever comes their way.